I want to show you how you can easily edit or change your business overview in Pomelli. So once you add your website and Pomelli generates your business detail, you can always go back and edit those business details. So you can click the three lines in the upper left and click on the business DNA. And here, if you scroll down on the left, you will find your colors, and also you'll find your tagline and your business overview, which is this text right here that is going to pull from your website. So in case it pulls a text and it's not something that you want to use, it's not the right text, you can always go ahead and edit it. And once you hover over that text, you can see a pencil icon here. You can click on that, and here you have the entire description or the entire overview of your business. And so you can always go back and you can modify whatever it is, and then you can always save it, right? So that's it. Once you edit whatever it is, you can click and apply. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just add an extra point or whatever it is there, and then you will see that you can always go ahead and apply and make changes to whatever you want. So that's pretty much all that you have to do. Once you change it, guys, you can always apply the new changes to it. But that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple.